All right. So we're going to continue work with our linear regressions. Again, you'll get access to this. We're looking at, this time we're going to be looking at kind of like the correlation coefficient and calculating that. So height versus shoe size. So you have your height in inches and your shoe size here. What is the linear regression equation? Round your answer to the nearest thousandths. So again, this is where we would go into Desmos. I don't, that's weird, but okay. Anyways, we're in Desmos. So we can go over here to the question mark, regressions. It's going to ask us, we're going to go to the sample data. And I can make a copy of this. I want to save this in my algebra folder, or you can open up the old spreadsheet. I'm kind of taking you through this. I'm just going to call it data. Click OK. The only reason I need the spreadsheet is because I want to copy and paste. So I want to take this work and I want to copy. And I'm going to take this and Control V, paste. Or Control Shift V. That is not what I want it to look like. All right, Control V. Yeah, I guess that'll work. Now I can hit Control Shift and lower the font size maybe. There, that looks better. All right, now I can copy this chart. So notice how I lowered the font size there. And I can paste it into Desmos. Now I add the new expression and I type y sub 1, pull up my keyboard here, hide this thing to get out of my way. There we go. Is about mx sub 1 plus b. Don't need to look at residuals yet. So this is my m value, 0.0969, so 0.097. So 97 thousandths. So I could come in here. So y equals mx plus b, where m is going to equal 0.097 or 97 thousandths. Back to Desmos, and b is 3 and 491 because the 0 would round up because there's a 9 there. 491 thousandths. Hold on. What was that? 3 and 491 thousandths. 3 and 491 thousandths. So there's my linear regression equation. Round your answer to the nearest thousandths. What did your calculator determine the correlation coefficient to be? So I come in here, my correlation coefficient was right here, R. R equals 0.5411. So I could say R equals 0.541. I'm just going to round that to the near thousandths as well. Interpret in the context of the problem. So correlation coefficient is where you have the closer to 1, the stronger the correlation, the further from 1, lower correlation. So this has a weak correlation. Just wanna, yeah, a weak correlation because it's far from, isn't close to 1. Pick your size. If you're 65 inches tall, round your answer to the nearest whole number. So that's where you'd substitute back in here. And you would come in here. Y equals, so my shoe size would equal 0.097 times 65. 65 plus 3.491. And you calculate that out again. You can literally use your browser bar. 9.796 equals 9.796. My shoe size would be 10.